welcome back to the channel. My name is Akanksha, and before starting the video I want to thank you all for hitting 7k plus subscribers on my YouTube. So thank you so much for all your love that you're showing on the videos, for liking the content what I'm putting up over here, for commenting the best that you can, and most important is please subscribe to the channel because that is going to help me grow. So सब्सक्राइब का बटन दबा दोगे तो मेरे जैसे आदमी का भला हो जाएगा, नहीं दबाओगे तो मैं बार बार आपको बोलती रहूंगी कि प्लीज दबा दो, तो मैं क्यों बार बार बोलो, इससे अच्छा यही है कि आप उसको प्लीज दबा दो एंड प्लीज हेल्प मी ग्रो. इट रियली मोटिवेट्स मी अ लॉट व्हेन यू गाइज लाइक द कंटेंट एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट इट एक्चुअली गिव्स अ लॉट ऑफ स्पिरिट कि हाँ आगे कुछ और नया बनाना है. Alright, today's topic is all for all the female aspirants out there and all for the female candidates who want to come into this sector, as in who wants to come into the air industry, aviation industry in precise, and who want to become a crew. The topic is it safe to become a crew, right? Because हम लोग बाहर में बहुत कुछ सुनते हैं कि हो सकता है सेफ नहीं हो, यू नेवर नो अंदर कैसा इंडस्ट्री है, ये इंडस्ट्री अच्छा नहीं होता है, ये है वो है. दैट्स व्हाट वी हैव हर्ड अबाउट, राइट? So let me do a little storytelling and we'll go to a flashback. 2019 की बात होगी ये, before me joining my company. So at that point in time when I told my mother कि मम्मी मेरे को ना एविएशन इंडस्ट्री में जाना है and मेरे को क्रू बनने का and stuff like that, obviously she also had the same thoughts and I'm sure आपके पेरेंट्स लोग भी ये थॉट रखेंगे कि देखो इसी फील्ड में जाना है क्या, डोंट यू वांट टू डू एनीथिंग एल्स, इट्स नॉट अ गुड सेक्टर, वी हैव हर्ड इट फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, इट्स नॉट अ गुड सेक्टर, यही सब सुनते आते हैं स्टफ. Just ask them, and even I asked my mother कि कहाँ से सुना, because मेरा जान पहचान में दूर दूर तक कोई भी नहीं है जो एविएशन इंडस्ट्री से बिलोंग करता है, ठीक है? So कहाँ से सुनते हो? मतलब this is all लोगों की बात इधर उधर से सुनना and that's how it affects us, ठीक है? There can be two things that can happen while you give your interview, okay? One is when you give your interview directly with all the processes that I have mentioned over here, I mean in my previous videos ki how to give your interview and how to apply for the interview and stuff like that. आप वो process से जाओगे तो वहाँ पे कुछ गलत नहीं हो सकता है, ठीक है? Now there are a lot of fake jobs, fake alerts, fraud calls and anything that happen otherwise also, alright? Like आपको वो लोग मतलब ना, these are not the aviation industry का people ना, अगर आप ऐसी चीजों में फंसते हो तो that's just because you've been trusting the wrong source, okay? Company, the airline industry never would call you as an individual without seeing your resume and without anything, without you sharing them your resume on their actual particular website कि हाँ you have been selected and you have to come to us, okay? The company will never do that, okay? So if you are going through a false channel or if you're going through a wrong channel, it's only then when it is not safe for you, okay? So what happens is अगर आप एक false channel से जाते हो, they might ask you for financial favors, as in they might tell that हाँ आप select हो गए हो, you have to transfer so and so money and then आपका we will give you your dates. And thinking the fact that you've got selected, we all get so hypered कि हाँ यार selection हो गया, अच्छा ऐसे ही होता होगा, because we do not know what the right source is, and that's how हम लोग का पोपट हो जाता है, okay? So there are two things that can happen wrong. One can be financial favor what they ask from you, and the other can be a physical favor that can be asked, ठीक है? कि एविएशन इंडस्ट्री कैसा होता होगा, because that's what we have heard from outside, but पता नहीं लोग कहाँ आउटसाइड से सुन के आते हैं, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसी की न्यूज नहीं आती है, ठीक है? Let me tell you, ये जो दो चीजें हम बाहर सुनते हैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. That can be any false job alert that you're getting, that can be any fraud call, because when you get such things, keep asking them questions and trust me, they will not have answers to any of them. Trust me, they won't have. So the aviation industry is safe. When you come over here, there's nothing wrong that you go that happens. All you need to do is follow the right channel. The right channel to come inside the aviation sector is to follow these companies from their official websites, all right? आप उनकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट्स पे ही जाओ, ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट्स के थ्रू ही आप अप्लाई करो एंड वहां पे ही आपको एक्यूरेट इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगा. बिकॉज टू बी ऑनेस्ट दीज कंपनीज आर वेरी ह्यूज, दे विल नॉट गो इंडिविजुअली टू पीपल एंड आस्क देम टू ज्वाइन द कंपनी. We need to go out there and reach them and then get the job, all right? And these companies, these aviation industries do not post their openings on anything such as, जितने भी आपको जो job alerts वाले जो चीजें होती हैं वहां पे ये लोग अपनी openings नहीं डालते हैं. Whenever they are listing their jobs, they will list it only on their official website. I am telling this again and again. Please अपने कंपनी जिस पे भी आपको ज्वाइन करना है, आप उनके ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पे जाके ही अप्लाई करना, बिकॉज दैट इज द राइट चैनल. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग. आई हैव बीन फ्लाइंग पास्ट 2 years. I have not experienced anything. The company environment and the aviation industry is safe. The people you walk around with is safe. And trust me, you meet so many people every day. आपको कहीं कुछ गलत नहीं लगेगा. वी मीट डिफरेंट सेट ऑफ कॉकपिट क्रूज एवरी डे. वी मीट डिफरेंट सेट ऑफ कैबिन क्रू एवरी डे. We have our own people around us who are there to, you know, keep a check on us. Also, if you feel at any time that anything is going wrong with you once you enter the company, well, this is not there only in aviation sector. सभी companies में अभी ये rules होते हैं, mostly होते हैं, that if you feel that you have been sexually harassed, or if you feel that you have been harassed in any other terms which you feel is not right for you, and I mean as an employee you think that it's not ethical, you can put it across to the company and they will assist you. Trust me, aviation industry में ज़्यादा females होती हैं, so the companies are also, you know, wide open and they know that if we have any problem, they are there to acknowledge it. So do not worry. Please tell your parents also, whoever are worried, thinking the fact that आगे जाके क्या होने वाला है, कैसे होने वाला है and stuff like that. You will be in safe hands. Just know the process. Please follow the right channel. Whenever you're applying, please apply through their official website and trust your guts. It is not so hard to crack the interview, all right? Please trust your guts. वहां जाओ, खुद से जाओ, अपने आप को, you know, portray करो the best version of what you can, and trust me, it will be all good. ठीक है? So do not worry. And this is me signing off. No, just kidding. बकवास कर रही हूँ मैं. मुझे बहुत पसीना आ रहा है actually because if I turn on the fan, I can't shoot because आवाज नहीं जाएगी. Anyways, so thank you all for watching, and if you like the video, please like karna, comment karna, share karna, and subscribe to the channel because it really helps me put up more content over here. I'll be really glad if you do so. And thank you so much for watching. And you all are safe, girls. This is a safe environment to work in. So I'll see you all soon. Flying together. Let's fly together. Chalo, bye bye.